back to Incredible Jacqueline Preetham Explanation channel. Today I am going to show you the second level, and this level shows how to find the secret places, and if you gain the coin it will remain to us after out. Okay, come on, let's just start the game. Go to second level because I had showed you first level how to complete the game and I had won 3 stars. Now is your turn to win 3 stars at second level. Mine level is completed. Now I am trying to do my best and we have to complete all these more levels. These will be very difficult and the person who completes all the level will get more than 1 crore as the gift. Let's go. Let's start. Don't leave one coin because when you will be out of the game means when you will fail this level, the coin may be safely recorded. It won't be gone because few people after completing the level, what happens? The coin will completely destroy. Oh my god, be aware of these fishes. If you kill these types of insects, okay, now I had showed you how to escape from the water. They will give you 3 seconds. In that they will give like 3 tubes, means water tubes. You should find your help. Means when completing of 3 tubes, you should jump out of the water. If you can't jump higher than water, so you will get 3 tubes extra. Don't leave any of the coins. Look, you may find some coins up of this wall. This is the fine and fantastic video game which I like the most. I haven't wasted 1 coin because after if I out of this game, the coins remain same to me. Oh my god, I lose 2 hearts. I got 1 heart. Keep hitting these boxes until you get the heart. I had not kept any of the YouTube channels because I don't know any of this much. Come, jump inside this. Because we will discover a new secret room. Jump off this because if you hadn't jumped, it will not let you to go out. Means this bed type, mattress type. Look, you can't even go from this. Be careful of this. This is used to hit these rocks. Come out. Now try to kill him. What he will do is, oh my god, kill all these demons. Oh my god, I lost another 1 heart. Everyone should be careful of this because you may lose your heart. Go hit this so you will be here. It may kill some insects. Look, jump out of this. I am making a YouTube channel to complete these games. If you like this, please give a like signal. Please press on the like. Now it's not letting me. What can I do? Just jump, move here. That's all. Now you can't go out of this. So pull this, go, kill those demons. Look, you may find a secret place over here. Don't leave that. Look, I have discovered a secret place. So may I have get the coin. Please don't forget to discover new places because these places will give you a lot of coins. It may give you a heart. Look, I had got 3 hearts. Try this to get more and more amount of coins. Jump on the box and get out of here. Now no need of taking tension because don't leave any coins. Now try your best to kill these demons. Okay, I had came here. I'm going up now. This is the rule of the game and everyone should do this. Okay, kill them. The atom bomb may kill you, but you have to kill them. Look, I had lost 1 heart and I am getting a heart. And again I lose. Get out of here now. Now you are not able to get any of these coins. Oh, now I got another coin. Now see, the Jack had got his daughter. This is how to complete the level. After this, press at this thing and you can go. Don't press into before because you have to play from first. Press at the down last circle so you can complete this level and go.